sometimes I think they get confused between the baskets and start building in different ones. I guess they look all the same. There's got 3 of them here. Oh, come on, hummingbird. I'd love to see you. Come on. Oh, that's quite a little thread he's got in on this one. Very long. I guess he's building a big nest with that one. Oh, well, I'm here. I may as well just show you the plants I just planted. See all the little orange flowers? I just put those in here, and up my little pathway here. You know, it's very interesting. I just discovered these Gerber daisies, although they are annuals, are coming back every year. So it's really worth getting them. Then you don't have to replant. I guess it's climate change in the area, change in this area. Here's my St. Francis garden. And there's my Zen garden. I just watered that plant, but it's really droopy. I'm going to put my fountain on in a little while. Oh well, let me see. I guess I'm going to call it a day for these sweet little birds. But I'm eager to see what's going to happen with all this thread. They're going to have to be making something here. Well, thanks for stopping by in my garden. I always appreciate it that you come here. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you come back. Bye now.